Unit 4, Lesson 14, percent error. So I can solve problems that involve percent error. So this is kind of a build off of yesterday. So a student estimated it would take 3 hours to write a book report, but it actually took her 5 hours. Oopsie, gotta turn on those drawing tools. Actually took her 5 hours. What is the percent error for her estimate? So what is the difference between the student's estimate and the actual amount of time? So 5 minus 3 is 2 hours. So they want us to write what is the amount written as a percentage of the total amount of time it actually took her to write the report. So what amount written as a percentage of the total amount to actually take her to write the report? So percent and then hours. So we know that we know 100%, which was her estimate, would have been 3 hours. And we know that it took her actually 5 hours. So we're going to divide going this way. So 5 divided by 3. I get 1.6 repeating. So that means that when I go this way, I'm going to multiply by 1.6 repeating. So I get 166.6 repeating percent. So it took her 166.6% of the amount of time she thought it was going to take. All right, a radar gun measures the speed of a baseball at 103 miles per hour. If the baseball was actually going 102.8 miles per hour, what was the percent error in the measurement? So what is the difference between the baseball's measured speed and its actual speed? So 103 minus 102.8. I get 0.2 miles per hour. So then they want what is the amount written as a percentage of the percent error of the actual speed of the ball. So this is the actual speed. So I know I have my percentage and I know I have my miles per hour. So 102.8 is 100%. And they want, what is the amount written as? So they want just the difference. So I'm going to put 0.2 here, and I'm dividing going that way. So 0.2 divided by, 0.2 divided by 102.8, I get 0.0019. Crazy. So the 4 tells the 9 to stay the same. So we're going to leave it there when we're rounding. Times 100, and I get 0.19%. So it's not even, a whole percentage point error, which isn't bad at all. All right, it took 48 minutes to drive downtown. An app estimated it would take less than that. The error was 20%. What was the app's estimate? So I know that I have my percentage, I have my minutes. I know that 100% is 48. So it says the error was 20% less. So 100 minus 20 leaves me with 80%. So I'm going to divide going that way. So 80 divided by 100 gets me 0.8. So then I'm going to multiply by 0.8. So 48 times 0.8. I get 38.4 minutes. All right, so then it says, how many minutes did the app estimate it would take the driver to get down? Oh. I kind of did this backwards. I didn't quite read what it said. So we figured out this answer, 38.4. So I'll erase this part and we'll start again. It helps to read. Goodness gracious. All right, so what is 20% of 48? So percent out of 100, not percent out of 100, percent, and then I've got minutes. So I know 100%, gosh, make one mistake and then all of a sudden, 100% is 48 minutes. So I have to figure out what 20% would be. So I'm going to divide going that way. So 20 divided by 100 is 0.2. So I'm going to multiply by 0.2 going this way. So 48 times 0.2 or 2/10. So 48 times 0.2, I get 9.6 minutes. So then it says a farmer estimated that there were 25 gallons of water left in the tank. If this is an underestimate of 16%, how much water was in the tank? So what is 16% of 25? So we're finding percent and we're finding gallons. So we have 100% would be 25. So they want 16%. So I'm going to divide going that way. So 16 divided by 100. I get 0.16. So I'm going to go this way times 0.16. And I get 4. So my answer would be 4 gallons. But then it says how much water was actually in the tank if it was increased by 16%. So we're increasing it by that 16%, so 25 plus the 4 gallons, so the tank actually holds 29 gallons. All right, so then it says to be labeled as a jumbo egg, the egg is supposed to weigh 2.5 ounces. Priya buys a carton of jumbo eggs and measures one of the eggs at 2.4. What is the percent error? So remember, you want to find the difference first. You want to set up your table. And remember, your actual is always your 100. So your actual amount, or what it's supposed to be, I should say. So what is it supposed to be? And then you're trying to find what percent that is. And you want to find the difference here. If you need help, you need to make an appointment on Calendly, email a study buddy, Mr. Morgan's help video, or there's extra practice on Khan Academy. Have a great rest of your day.